In today's video, we are going to finish up my first 3D paper flower shadow box, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. All information and links that I discussed in this video will be in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. So today I am going to finish up with my first shadow box. I have finished all of the road buds. So I'm just going to bring you along with me. I'm going to lay out everything that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to go ahead and complete my box. So I'm super excited today. I hope it comes out very well. Again, the video that inspired me to complete this was a video I saw on CrystalAnn's page, and I will share that link in the description box. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So you see I got my light set up this time. My last video was very dim. So I'm testing out my new light set that I got off Amazon, and I'll also share that link as well in the description box. So I hope everything lights up the way it's supposed to light up. So let's go ahead and get this box to making. So I have my quote phrase that will be on the front of the shadow box. It's Grandma, and these are her grandchildren, Marissa, Bianca, and Olivia. So I'm going to go ahead and get this loaded into my Cricut so that can be done. Now I'm using permanent vinyl for the first time. So I did do a tester on my little tea container earlier this week. And it came out pretty good. I wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing. So let me make sure. Bring this over here. Just going to I'm going to go ahead and load this on the Cricut. So I have my dial on vinyl. I'm sorry, in front of the camera. Go ahead and hit continue. It would be great if I plugged in a USB. So, hold on. Let me cancel that real quick. Let's do this again. Why is it saying send to printer? Let me just check real quick. I should have had this set up already. Okay, so I am running a tester over here on a color I probably won't be using anytime soon, of something that says tea bags. So the picture that I had to put on the shadow box, I'm assuming however I made it, it's not really picking up that it's not a letter, so it's very weird. So I'm gonna show you what it's doing, and I'm gonna have to try to either figure it out, watch some YouTube videos, or redo the picture for the box from scratch. So this is the picture I had for the shadow box today. It's just, you know, I think I followed another video's instructions on how to do this. I'm trying to remember which one it was, and that's how I made it. So when I go to print it, it's almost asking for like a printer, like a regular printer. It doesn't come out like the other ones, right? So if you saw my last little section, this right here comes up. So this is the first time this section has ever come up since I've been, using my Cricut. So it's like red flags are flying off all over the place. So no matter how I try to do it, if I try to say, hey, I already have it set to a printer and, I have vinyl right here, I'm just gonna put this back in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and make it. It can't find the lines. So I'm wondering if, however I made it, that it's coming out like a picture instead of instead of an actual print and cut. So it's like the Explorer's trying to find it and it can't. So you see the error that pops up. It says the machine cannot read the cut sensor marks. Make sure you're using white material. It is positioned correctly on the mat, and the cut sensor marks are fully printed. To try again, press the flashing button. So if any of you guys knows what that means, or if I did something wrong in the design space to make it think that, or get this error and you know how to fix it, please comment below and let me know what I did wrong when I made this design, because I really want this design to go on the top of this shadow box. So let's see here, let me get out of this and then we can start to position the box. So I have all my little rosebuds done, and I'm just gonna kind of stage them just to see how they come out, how they look, and kind of position them before I glue them down. I actually wish the background was black, so you can't see any white, but we'll see when I'm done if there's any white showing. guys, I cannot believe that I finished my very first 3D paper flower box. I absolutely love the process, and I am excited to be able to make more. As you can hear, my little one is in the background. She is cheering Mama on. So I'm excited, guys. So let me know in the comments what you're working on for Mother's Day. What craft projects are you doing right now? I'm above and beyond myself right now. I'm on cloud 9. So let me know what you guys think of my project. Let me know of the process I did, any tips, tricks, or anything like that. So she is climbing out of her high chair. I gotta go, guys. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me today, and until next time.